E85, you might have heard of it. It's already out there at some gas stations. What is it, you ask? It's the future fuel alternative, ethanol. With hybrid and electric vehicles receiving a lot of attention in today's market, many people have overlooked the tremendous potential of ethanol. E85 is an alcohol fuel mixture that contains a mixture up to 85% denatured fuel, ethanol, and gasoline. It is used in engines modified to accept higher concentrations of ethanol. Such flexible fuel vehicles, or FFVs, are designed to run on any mixture of gasoline or ethanol with up to 85% ethanol by volume. Ethanol significantly reduces the tailpipe emissions. Gasoline is a complex mixture, but a large part of it is made up of carbon and hydrogen. Engines use the hydrogen portion during the combustion, and carbon is left over, forming carbon monoxide, which is converted almost completely to carbon dioxide through emissions. Carbon dioxide is classed as a greenhouse gas and is extremely dangerous, contributes to global warming, and enters our atmosphere. Ethanol, on the other hand, contains much less carbon in its formula. By operating a vehicle on ethanol, you can cut the carbon dioxide output almost in half. In terms of performance, ethanol and gasoline vehicles are pretty much the same. Speed, torque, horsepower, that doesn't change. Today's drivers will not experience any difference when operating with ethanol fueled vehicles. Another advantage of ethanol is that it is a renewable energy resource. Corn, its major source of production, receives its energy from sunlight. So you could pretty much say that ethanol is indirectly a way to convert sunlight to energy for vehicles. Traditional methods of producing ethanol require a lot of heat, often generated by fossil fuels, but new methods will allow for even greater levels of efficiency. The development of substantial ethanol industry would not only reduce our dependence on imported oil to manufacture gasoline, but would also mean new energy for markets for farmers, hence creating construction and operating jobs for ethanol production plants, and help strengthen the diversity of rural economies. Lastly, our economy infrastructure is a great fit for ethanol. Gasoline stations can already be easily converted to support ethanol. Just like gasoline, ethanol can be transported through storage trucks to supply fuel stations.